Okay guys, welcome back to another Hey Redneck Kid. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description. So go check him out. And Mini Diesel. So today we're going to be cleaning my truck. I know it's the same day as the other truck, but we enjoy trucks, right? Answer me! Huh? Oh my god. Okay, so anyways, we're gonna clean out the truck. I guess I'll just get y'all right into it. Okay guys, we got a progress update. This is pretty much clean. Got that. Back seat's pretty much clean. Oh, never mind. Still had that. So we have all the parts to my truck right under here. The jack and the cup holders all cleaned out. And we even got behind the seat.
As soon as I walk over there, it shuts the door.
And then let's check this. I forgot to clean this. Just playing on camera with you guys. And there's no ignition switch in here. It's an ignition switch. And just some paper clips and stuff like that. I can say it like that. And then more parts to my truck. This is all cleaned. So now I'm gonna show y'all guys under the hood. And then we can get to going in the back. Because the back is pretty dang dirty.
You need to get your front thing back on.
Close the doors. Oh wait. Oh. Let's pop the hood. Okay, that's under the hood. It's relatively clean, but we still got some stuff in pieces, so we're just gonna have to pretty much put it all back together. Gonna have a huge build series on this, but anyways, let's get right into the day. Okay guys, it's getting pretty late. I gotta go to church. So I am gonna have to continue this tomorrow. We're gonna get trash bags and clean all this out. Okay, tailgate's in. Okay, so I guess I'll see y'all guys tomorrow. Okay guys, we're back for the second day of cleaning. We got a trash bag, we got a broom, and some other stuff. What's Station over there? What? Who are you? Who are you?
Person.
No, but what's your name?
Redneck.
Link in the description is his channel.
Make sure you check out Redneck. Make sure you subscribe. I looked at the statistics last night when we fell asleep on his phone, and it said half of you guys are subscribed.
No, not half. Okay, so we made some progress yesterday, but we didn't get it all. So let me set up the camera and let's just get into it. Okay guys, it's all cleaned out. We just got the main parts that we need for it. There's all the trash right there, the broom. There's a whole bunch of leaves in it. But we got it all cleaned out. And I might figure out when I'm getting it started so I can let y'all guys know. And also I'm probably gonna wipe down the windows and stuff, but I'm gonna do that stuff off camera.
Yeah, do mine off camera.
So
It's longer more than 2.
I guess that's the end of today's video. Hope y'all guys enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe. His video and channel will be linked in the description down below. Be sure to subscribe to his channel. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next one.